don't get scheduled with you, then it should be you that reaches out.
If I am going to call every person that misses the consultation, I will never train anyone.
Nobody could replicate what I was doing. That's why I had to create a system for it. This is why franchises create systems, because nobody can replicate what you do naturally. Okay? They can't replicate what I do naturally. But I can give them a frame.
But they can learn.
They can learn, and I can give them a frame. But if I gave you my script,
I've been saying that
So
since day one.
if they don't get scheduled with you, then it should be you that reaches out. Because I've seen this, I've seen it in tons of clubs, hundreds of
Okay,
clubs.
so why they don't get scheduled with me? I wanna know
So
why.
I'll tell you why they don't get scheduled, okay? It's, I forget. Okay?
There's no forget if you put something in the
Just
system.
telling you, this is what you know, this is human behavior.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm up there, I'm busy with another customer who's walking in, or someone distracted me,
Mhm.
or someone got something and I gotta get it. It's something and I'm, oh shit, I just forgot, right? So that's one thing, okay? The other thing is, there's no intention. Most of the time it's never intentional. But if I do forget, then don't put it on me, because if I'm just the person at the desk, if the ball drops here and gets missed, you as the head trainer, okay, this is the system that I've always used. You as the head trainer, you're checking the report of who's come in, right? Or just eyeballing. Like if you went out to get your food or went out to go run your errands, you come back and you see, oh, 3 people signed up. Did you get them scheduled? Did you get them scheduled? Then you immediately should be sending a quick text through the CRM, not through your phone. So the CRM has a texting tool, and you quick text say, hey, I just missed you, sorry about that, and use the options of the 4. Which one would you like to use before they expire? So it's the same thing. They choose one of them, you put them in your book, now you got them in the calendar. But the goal is 85% should be caught at the front desk. Like, sign up, 85% front desk. That's like actually the average. So you should see, if 10 people come in, you should have 8 appointments, with bar none. And if you don't, then that's somebody at the front that just needs to get accustomed to that system. If somebody doesn't sign up for a membership, they should be put into the system, and you should want to reach out to them and call them up or text them and say, hey, I saw that you didn't get a chance to join, but for everyone who's visited our club, they have 1 week to go ahead and utilize one of these 4 things. Which one would you like to use? So that gives you another opportunity.
You have your head trainers do that? You don't have a sales department?
Have the fitness manager do that.
Okay.
So the fitness manager who acts as the head trainer, they typically train and also do sales.
Yeah.
In a club this size. So in bigger clubs they get 5,000 members, in clubs that size, usually it's someone in sales, and then there's the head trainer.
Mhm.
And the head trainer will sometimes assist in a sale, but it's usually somebody who's taking care of all the sales in CRM. But now that, with the CRMs that are in place today, like a lot of this stuff can be automated. Like that person that got missed goes into a CRM and the automation goes out. Technically you don't have to send it, but if you want to make sure it gets done, you would send it. So that's the front gate, running the campaign. Okay, what just happened? Biggest Loser, posting that all over, creating an advertising campaign, blast that out to everyone, letting them know this is what just happened. And then however many people signed up for Biggest Loser this year, or last year.
32.
Those 32 get a discount on some kind of training program after the Biggest Loser. Right, but that has to also go into the CRM.
Yeah.
So I think the biggest thing that I'm hearing is like, things that are funneling in from the front gate, there's no gate. It's just a funnel and it just drops through. And then